Hi, I'm Alec. This is Fast Tutorial and Sound You Are Beautiful. In this video you can find two versions of chords for this song, original chords or another chords. Okay, strumming. And first verse. And it's all. Yeah. G, B, C, G, B, and chorus. And again. Beautiful, yeah, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. And C, B, G, B, and C, B, and C, B, G. And another chord. Oh, I'm sorry. And bridge. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. And again. You're beautiful, yeah, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. Okay. And another chord. So C, G, A, and F. And chorus. And bridge. And again, you're beautiful, yeah, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. So it's all. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.